So discovering all the back corners and maybe little hidden areas. Trying to find out what in the world that noise is. Can't seem to find them. I'm sure it's some type of bird, but can't find them. This is the jogging trail that goes all the way around the complex. You'll see these signs about. They got a nice jogging trail all the way around. I was just trying to figure out what type of birds those were, but never heard anything like that. But can't seem to find them. Please leave your comments if you know what type of bird that is. I'd greatly appreciate it. Again, we're here at Ocean Riviera Paradise Resort, an all-inclusive resort at Playa del Carmen on the outskirts here of Cancun, Mexico. Let's go.